Hey, you want to know what the 3 common mistakes are that consumers are making when selling their home? Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what they are. All right, obviously selling a home is a significant financial and emotional journey, and avoiding common pitfalls can make the process smoother and much more profitable for you. So here are the top 3 mistakes consumers often make when selling their home. All right, the number 1 mistake that we see home sellers making when selling their home is overpricing the house. One of the most critical errors is setting an unrealistic price. It's very natural, we get it. Sellers, they just want to tweak a little bit more and get as much as they possibly can out of the property and leave room in there for negotiating, right? Well, overpricing can deter potential buyers from even considering your property and causing your home to linger on the market longer than necessary. That stagnation can lead to potential buyers to assume that there might be something wrong with the property. And a strategically set price, ideally based on professional appraiser or professional real estate agent, and using comparable market analysis can attract more buyers and can even lead to competitive offers that drive the price up naturally. So make sure you do not overprice your property in today's market. All right, the second most critical mistake sellers make is neglecting repairs and not presenting their house in the best light they possibly can. So first impressions are crucial, especially in today's market. Probably got a little bit lazy over the last few years. You really didn't need to have an absolutely perfect home. Not any longer in this shifting market that's getting more and more important. So many sellers overlook the importance of curb appeal and staging. So simple fixes such as fresh paint, maybe some new carpeting, decluttering, fixing anything that's not working absolutely perfect, and ensuring the house is clean and inviting can significantly impact how potential buyers perceive your home. So neglecting these can result in lower offers, slower sales, more days on market, as buyers factor in the cost of and effect of making these improvements themselves. It all comes back to making sure it's affordable for the buyers. You're going to hear that buzzword a lot in today's market, making your home affordable for buyers, which means that you're going to want to minimize the amount of effort and money that they will be needing in order to purchase your home. So that's going to be crucial going from this point forward. So that's number 2 mistake that a lot of sellers make. All right, the third critical mistake that we see sellers making when selling their home is inadequate marketing. In today's digital age, having a robust online presence is vital. Some sellers rely solely on traditional methods like putting a sign in the front yard, you put it on the multiple listing services, and then you pray someone else sells the house for you. However, comprehensive marketing strategies like high quality photos, virtual tours, and leveraging online platforms can reach a broader audience. In addition, an experienced real estate agent can effectively market your home using their network and their resources, which can be instrumental in finding the right buyer quickly. So, avoiding these common mistakes can help ensure a quicker sale and potentially a higher selling price. If you're considering selling your home and want to learn more about how we do this for other folks, feel free to reach out to us. We'll develop a tailored marketing plan for you and provide you all the insights that you're needing.